So I want to talk to you just for a moment about the idea of focus and the fact that whatever we focus on is what is actually going to represent in our life. And I'll give you some sports examples that you may be familiar with. Like if you have been riding a mountain bike or any bicycle and you're going through a road or a trail or whatever, and there are obstacles on both sides. Okay, so you have, if you're on the road or on a sidewalk, for example, you could have a wall and you could have a light pole, right? And you have to make it through the middle. If you are on the mountain, you could be between a rock and another hard place, you know, maybe a tree or something. And if you are riding and you're thinking, oh my gosh, the rock, or the tree, or the rock, or the tree, or the light pole, or the wall, that's where your focus is, and you're most likely going to hit your handlebars. You're going to have a really hard time getting through, and that is because you lack focus. Now, to do it right, you want to focus on that skinny path in the middle, right? You want to have that laser focus in the middle. And I bring this up because when I have coaching clients or hypnosis clients and I am talking to them about what they want, in many cases, and I'm talking to like 99% of the people that come to see me, if I say, okay, well, what is it that you want? And they will invariably start with the things that they don't want. You know, well, I don't want to be poor anymore. I don't want to have this pain. I don't want this. I don't want that. So think about that. Where is the focus in that moment? It's in the things that they don't want, right? And we can't focus on something and then delete it, not think about it. Like if I tell you not to think, do not think, whatever you do, don't think of a yellow Jeep. Right? It's impossible not to think of the yellow Jeep. So wherever your focus goes is where energy flows, is where your body is kind of going. So I want to ask you a question that will help you improve your focus in anything you do in life. And this is what's commonly known as the miracle question. Miracle question goes like this. If upon waking up tomorrow morning, a miracle has occurred and everything that you do in life or your life as you know it is absolutely perfect, you do the things that you love, you are exactly where you want to be, you are exactly with whom you want to be, how would you know that a miracle has taken place? Meaning, what are those things that will be 100% confirmation to you that those are the things that you absolutely wanted? If you think about that, ask yourself the miracle question today. Just think about it. You know, this is a short little segment, so you don't have to do it right now, but just ask yourself, if a miracle would happen overnight and I wake up in the morning and everything is absolutely perfect, what is that exactly? You know, have a laser focus on what that is, and that is going to help you then spend your time doing things that are going to support that vision. You know, it's like the movie The Secret. If you've ever watched it, you know, it's like, oh yeah, great, if I just focus on winning the lottery, I'm going to win it. No, you know, focus has to be followed by action for it to be powerful. So just take this lesson, ask yourself the miracle question, and then start focusing on the right things starting tomorrow.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.